Hey, what's up, guys? It is Alex Branding here with day number 2. We are going through Alex Hormozi's book, $100 million Leads, and I'm breaking down the big core concepts and skinning this thing down for insurance agents because in the insurance space, things are just a little bit different for us than they are for everybody else. So Alex Hormozi does a fantastic job explaining how to sell info products, coaching, e-commerce, and more. But when it comes to insurance marketing, you need an expert to kind of break down how to use some of these big concepts. So that's what I'm doing. This is just me. I'm a huge fan of Alex Hormozi. Alex Hormozi is not involved in this. You should definitely go and buy his book, $100 million Leads, and read it for yourself. These videos are not meant to replace the book. They are meant to give you some insight and opinion on how to execute the strategies that Alex Hormozi talks about in his book. Yesterday, I talked about buyer leads, and we started talking about how to identify your ideal avatar and what to do from there. You should go watch that video. Today, we're going to talk about what does it take to go from one-to-one to one-to-many. And this is a really good visual representation of the power, right? And so check this out. On the top there, he's talking about one-to-one, right? On the top, he's talking about how to improve your lead generation. You can create more content, better content, longer content. You pay people to do the work for you so that they're now taking your content and pollinating it across multiple platforms. See at the last box there, add new platform. Yesterday, in my example, I talked about, using video, posting it on Instagram. And then once you've got a good habit of creating content, then also taking those videos and posting them on TikTok. That's the exact same thing Alex is talking about here in this section. Now, let's talk about one to infinity. This is what allows you to grow quickly. This is what expedites your lead generation. This is how you generate $100 billion worth of leads. Organic content is just not going to do it. Paid advertising, you have a shot. So you're creating more, better, and longer content as you get better and better, right? Just the key is to start. Here's the difference. Paying the platform, right? Paying the platform. For me, for example, I found a ton of success on the Meta platform, Facebook and Instagram. And so for me to grow, I need to get off of that platform and go to more platforms. I need to stay posting on Facebook. I'm leaving it, but I need to now add new platforms. Is that YouTube? Yes. Is that X or Twitter? Yes. Is that Pinterest? Maybe. But I need to start paying more platforms so that I can reach more of my audience. One of the things that we do as entrepreneurs is we tend to focus on the social platforms that we like, right? We focus on the platforms where we are finding success. And there's nothing wrong with that, but don't stay in your bubble. Your customers are everywhere. And so this graphic here is talking about the core value that Alex Hormozi has about paying the platform so that you can continue to grow and expedite your growth using paid ads. Tomorrow, we're going to go over core value number 3. Make sure you subscribe. It's getting better and better as we go along. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping in. Hey, what's up, everyone? It is Alex Branding here. Thank you for watching. I would love to connect with you. Please follow me on your favorite social media platform. My username is Alex Branding, and you should definitely get Alex Hormozi's book. Go to acquisition.com/books. Grab the $100 million leads and all the other stuff he offers. He is a fantastic author and probably one of the best in the marketing game right now. So follow him, buy his stuff, and I will see you tomorrow. Go ahead and subscribe.